Hello everyone, welcome again in the next part of this CI/CD pipelines. So here in this video, we will see that how to install the plugins in the Jenkins. So we require this plugins as I have already mentioned in my introduction. Okay, so this plugin we will install one by one, or we can install at a once. Okay, so let's open the Jenkins portal and let's install it. Later we will see that how to configure those plugins, okay, as per our requirement. So this is our dashboard, and we will install the plugins, and after installing the plugins we will configure. So if you in the page dashboard, click on this manage Jenkins, and if you in another any other page, you can click on this dashboard option. It will redirect to the dashboard of the Jenkins, and later you can click on this manage Jenkins, and here you will able to find the plugins option. Click on this plugins, click on the available plugins and search the plugins that I have already mentioned. So first of all, enter the JDK and you will find the Eclipse Temurin installer, which provides an installer for the JDK tool. Next, we'll use this Open JDK native plugin. All right. Our next plugin is the SonarQube scanner. So this scanner will help to scan those code. Okay, continuously it will inspect our code. Next, we'll use the stage view of the pipeline. The next plugin is OWASP Dependency Check. Next, we'll install the Docker. So required is the Docker, then Docker pipeline and Docker build step, and another one is CloudBees Docker build and publish. Okay, so these are the plugins which we required. So after selecting those, click on this install button and let's wait until this is getting installed successfully. Next, after installing this, we will configure it. Okay, so here we can see that all the plugins are installed successfully. Now again, I will go to the Manage Jenkins page, and from Manage Jenkins page, there is a tools option we can find. So previously it was the global tools. Currently it changed to the tools. So here we will first configure our JDK installation. Okay, so I'm click on this JDK and I'm giving this name as JDK 11. Okay, and yeah, please keep in mind this name because we require this name in our CI pipeline script. Okay, now after entering the name, we'll click on this install automatically. So as we have installed the plugins which will help us to install from adoptium.net, and we will use the version as 11.0.19 plus 7. This version we require, which will help us for our code. Okay, and then we will configure the SonarQube scanner. So here click on this SonarQube scanner, and in SonarQube scanner I will provide the name as a Sonar scanner. Okay, and the version I will use as a 4.8.0. 0.2856. Okay, this version which is required for this project. Next, configure the Maven installation. So click on this add Maven and provide the name of the Maven as Maven 3, and I will use this as a 3.6.0. okay, this version I will use, and this one is the compatible for this project. Next next we will use the dependency check, add a dependency check, and I'm using the DP as a name, and install, click on this install automatically and add installer. It is from GitHub, and version of this this I will choose as a 6.5.1, which is the required for this project. And then we will configure the Docker. So here I'm using the name as a Docker, and install automatically I will choose, and add installer from this one, and it will install from the official website of the Docker and will install the latest version. Okay, now click on apply, click on save to save this configuration. Okay, so now come to the dashboard, and we will now configure the script. Okay, so now we will configure the script for the CI and the CD in the next videos. Okay, so till then, goodbye. And if you find this video is helpful for you, please like, subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.